Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily install apps and games on Windows 10 phones. So as you can see here, I have Lumia 540 dual SIM which is running on Windows 10, and I have just installed Windows 10 on it. So I didn't install any kind of apps here. So basically previously what we have to do is that we can go to the Microsoft Store and we can download the apps or games, and also we can sideload the apps and games. So most of the apps are not available on Microsoft Store, so we need to use sideload apps from our PC to our phone. So now there is a tool called Windows Universal Tool, which will allow you to install apps and games basically from your phone. You no need to use PC anymore, and you can install appx bundle and zip file. So today I'm going to show you how you can do that. So as you can see here, my Lumia 540 is connected, and I have already used this tutorial on my Lumia 1520. So it's proven it's working fine, and so that's why I'm making this video. Hopefully it will be helpful for you. So basically, first of all, let me show you what phone I'm using. As I said, Lumia 540. So as you can see, it's running on 16.0.7. So you have to connect your Wi-Fi to the same network as your PC. So now let me show you which Wi-Fi I'm connected. So I am connected on God, and here you can see my computer also connected on God. So then we have to open the update and security, and we have to for the developer option, and we have to unlock the developer mode, yes, and also we have to unlock the device portal. So you can turn off authentication if you don't want, but I don't want right now authentication, so I'm turning it off. If you turn on authentication, then you have to put there is a code for the authentication, so to connect it to your phone. So first of all, if you're done with your phone, then you have to download this zip file. The link will be in the description below. You can download it from there and just extract it. So extract here. As you can see, after extracting it, you will get these three files. So we have to install these three files. So now we have to remember this IP address. Now go to your browser. Let's open a new window. Now, okay, I cannot see the IP address, so write the IP address here. So the IP address is 192.168.10.57. So the IP address will be different and it will vary on the phone. So the IP address is showing here, it will not work on your phone. So as you can see, we are in a page here where you can see Windows Phone connected or anything. So we have to go over apps section. So after going to apps section, now we have to install apps. So we have to install these three apps. Basically you can install these three apps by copying these apps on your phone, but that way you will not know the apps are installing or not. But in this way you will see that the apps are installing. So so as you can see here, the page is open. Now first of all we will add the add one. So first of all, let's go to desktop and we will install interop tool first. So and open interop tool. When you interop tool open, you will get dependencies folder. Just add them and select dependencies 1, then add dependencies, select dependencies 2, add dependencies, select 3, and add dependencies and select 4. Open. So now 4 of the dependencies are selected. Now choose the package of the app. So interop tools RC3 and select the interop tool. Now tap on go. So when you go, it will upload the file on server and it will go to you directly to your phone and it will install to your phone. So let me show you first. So now it's uploading the file. And now the installation is started. And hopefully you will see the app on your Windows phone. Let me see. So I haven't installed any kind of apps here. As you can see, it's bare one, and our interop tools is here. Now we have to go for our WU tool. As I said, this is called Windows Universal tool. This is created by W10M group. Some of the developers who are working actually really great. Really thanks to them, and for them actually I think the Windows Phone is still alive. They're doing great job. And also I got this tutorial from them, just it's little bit different from them. So now we are going to install WUT tool. So first of all we will add the dependencies. So let's do 3. I think there will be 2-3 dependencies. So desktop and our WU tool and dependencies, and we will select ARM. So if you are using Lumia 950 XL, I think it will be ARM 64. So select ARM 64. Now okay, only 2 of the dependencies are here. So 1, first of 2. Okay, then finish. Then choose the package. So W2 and W2 ARM FX bundle. Open it. So now go. So it will upload the file and you will see the app here. So today I am not using my camera to shoot or my phone to shoot the video like I previously do, because in this way you can see everything. If I use my phone and show the display, that way it's quite actually difficult to see sometimes. So I think it will be easier for you to understand what I'm saying. Sometimes I also make mistakes what I say, sometimes it's not that much relevant, but anyhow I'm trying to give you a demo of it. I think it will be helpful. So now our tool is uploading here. Hopefully you can see everything. So be patient. The uploading and installation process will be very on your phone and your network. As I said, it will upload to the cloud, go through the cloud to your phone, or as you're using IP address. If your internet connection is great, then it will be much faster than me. Anyhow, these files are not that big, so it will not take time if your internet connection is not that good. But anyway, as you can see here, our uploading is nearly to finish, and our screen is off. Let's turn on the screen. Now the installation is going on. So you can, as I said, you can install this app if you just copy it to your phone, but in this way it's little bit easier. You can see that the installation is going on or uploading is going on. Also, if you get any kind of error, you will see here. So that's why I just use this tool. So if you don't want to use this way, you can do another way. It's up to you. So now we have our universal tool. So basically we are done here, but if you want to install ZEP file on your phone without using a PC, then you need to install another apps which is called CMD injector. So now we are going to install CMD injector. So let's put some dependencies here first. So choose the dependencies and go to your desktop or wherever you extracted the file. My phone will switch off. That's screen will be locked, so I just refreshed it. Dependencies ARM, then 1, so 2 and 3. So basically 3 of them already selected. Now we will select our package CMD injector. So you will get the APX bundle here, open, and you just press on go. So now you will see the dependencies on your phone screen. So it will basically work on all the phones which are running on Windows 10, but there is a catch about interop unlock tools, because some of the X50 devices like Lumia 950 XL and all the 50 series like 650, 550, they will have some trouble unlocking the what it called. There is a interrupt to unlock cap unlock, so they will have some problem. So basically you need to go somewhere else to check that how you can install those things. So our installation is done. We got, as you can see here, 3 of the apps. So first of all, what we're going to do is that we will click on our interop tool. So our interop tools is open now. Next, and sometimes it may crash these apps. So that's why I'm using 1.9. There is another version of interrupt tools are available, which is interrupt tool legacy, works on all the devices, but I'm using this interrupt tool 1.9 RC3, which is also one of the great option here. So now we are in the interrupt tool, and let's click on welcome, and you will get unlock option. Just go there. So you can here also you can unlock use X50 devices. As I said, there is catch about that. So first of all, we will install unlock this one in disk and interrupt cap unlock, already unlocked, and new capability engine unlock. So we are unlocked everything. Now what you will do, just go to home and go to CMD injector. So after CMD injector, your device will reboot actually. So let's inject. Now you see it's reboot now. So wait for few seconds to boot up. Let's see. I don't know it will connect automatically. The phone will be connected automatically or not. Maybe I need to reconnect my phone. So please be patient for a little bit. Let the phone boot up. So basically, as I said, the CMD injection tool is not necessary if you don't want to install zip file. But if you want to install zip file, then it is necessary, and I will show you why. So now my phone is actually rebooting, but you can't see. Maybe I need to reconnect the phone. Just wait few moments. I think I can make this screen little bit bigger, which will allow you to see much clearer. After the injection of what it called CMD injection, your phone may break or something happens. So be mindful about that. Don't do this kind of trick on your device which you use daily basis. Also, if you don't have good internet connection, you should not do this kind of thing, because if your device break, then you need internet connection to do all sort of stuff. So now my phone is boot up. I don't think it will harm your phone, as I have done this on my 2-3 devices. It's just work fine, and my phone is connected again here. As you can see, it's connected. Now our main parts started from here. Our installation process, new app, how we will install and other things. As we have done, the injection is done. So if I want to open the app, you can see re-inject. So previously it was inject, now re-inject. So you have done it with this all done. So don't uninstall these apps. Now we will go to Windows Universal Tool. So basically this is the apps where you will get all the apps and games, even Microsoft apps and games. If you search, you will get here. So this video is a little bit longer. Maybe you need to be patient a little bit. But this video will be very helpful for you. Now our phone is. So basically, if you download any appx file from this app, it will automatically install. You don't need to press any kind of installation and anything like we have to do with our browser and other things. But now here you don't have to do that if you are installing any appx file or appx bundle file. So that I will show you. But if you are installing zip file, then you have to do a little bit of work. Just there is a button called installation, like your Windows, like your Android phone you do. So when you install third-party apps, you have to press install button. So that kind of button will appear. I will show you. So let it. First time it will take time to refresh all these things. Be patient, and it will depend on your phone internet and other things. So as you can see, it's going through all these things. So basically there are 3 repos, I think. So one for Windows 10, one for 8.1 and other things, and you will be able to install any kind of 8.1 apps and games from here too. So no need to worry about that. Also Windows 10 and apps and games. So basically it's really easy. Previously what I used to do is that I just I have to download all the apps games from my on my PC, and I just used to sideload because all the apps and games are not available on Microsoft Store. So basically I I had to depends on those things. But now this tool actually allowing you to install anything. It's like a store actually, but it's much more than store. There are a lot of customization in it available. I will show you a demo of customization from my Lumia 1520 which I have done. I may make another video about it, how you can customize your Windows phone, or I will give you the link of the video of Windows 10 group where you will find the video which by watching that video also you can do same stuff. So I will do that too. I will leave a link on my description of that channel, because most of my inspiration actually come from there. I look at them and I see them, and I try to make those tutorial a little easier for you guys. But because when you watch their videos, actually those videos actually little difficult to understand if you don't have any kind of understanding of Lumia, how Lumia phone works, how to install apps and other things. So that's why I just make these videos. So now our refreshing is going on. It's little bit I think more, and it's only first time. After that you may not see these things, but basically you have to do after 2-3 days you have to refresh this page too, because they are adding new stuff on this app. So for basic new things you have to do these things. Now our refreshing is almost done, I think. So let's see. It was much faster on my Lumia 1520 because it is a flagship level phone. So it didn't take this much time what I have to give on my Lumia 540. But anyhow, it will work on all the devices. So now it's almost done. We will see 3 files, I think. So loading the home and preparing the file. So yeah, we are here. Now you can see here 3 repositories. So first of all, we are going to W10M group. Basically you can see here, these are the what kind of apps you want. So if you want travel GPS apps, weather news apps, Xbox or non-Xbox, drive and games, so here you will find all the apps and games. I will show you, because these are zip file. I will show you later. First of all I will show you appx and appx bundle file. So let me show you. I don't have Lumia camera here, because after you update your phone to Windows 10 you will lose the Lumia camera app, so it's not here. You can see here. So now we will going to install that. So just to go to the apps, and you can see that camera and photos app here, and you can say Lumia imaging app collection. So if you open that, you can see the Nokia Lumia collection apps. So I will install that 5.4.5. let's see, or also you can install, let's see I can install this or not. So this is appx bundle file. So just click on it and you can see the download option. Just click download and you will see that it's it will show you where to download first time only, and just click on download button and it will come to the file, and as you can see it's downloading. Just click on here. When you click, you can see that it's downloading the file, and it's quite fast actually. It downloaded the file really fast and installed the file really fast. So our download apps is done, and it will basically install for you. You don't need to do anything. So as you can see here, the app is downloaded and it automatically installing the file. Maybe sometimes some of the apps will not compatible with your phone. Those apps will not install, but almost all the apps and games will work just fine if you are running on Windows 10. And there is also Windows 10 version, some kind of version problem. Some of the apps doesn't work on lower version of Windows 10, so that also one issue. But anyhow, there are a lot of apps and games which will work on your phone. Now our installation is nearly done, I think. Let's see how long it takes. Basically it doesn't take much time. I think it depends on the phone capability of your phone. So as you said, it's set installed. So now we go back to Windows Phone, go here, and as you can see here, we can see our Lumia camera app. Let's open it. It's working or not, just to show you, give you a demo, so that you can see here. So the app is crashed, I think. Maybe we need to install another app, so this is not working. That means the version we have installed is not right for my phone, although this app is working on my Lumia 1520. So never mind, we can install another one. So just go here and download Lumia. I will install. I don't want to install zip file right now. Let's okay. So this way you can install apvx bundle file, I think. So let's try to install this one. I think it will work. Download, and as you can see it downloading now. It didn't appear any kind of download to select the download folder. Basically it will do for you, and this file you will can find on your download folder, and you can use this folder apps later on if you uninstall and install these apps. So that now our again its installation is going on. This file is apvx bundle file, and this is apvx bundle file, so it will do the process automatically. But for zip file it will be little bit different, but not that much. I will show you that too. So I will give you a demo of this app first. Let me see which one is working for my Lumia 540. I think 4.5. I think I need to install the version 4. Maybe it's not compatible with my device. This beta is working on my Lumia 1520. Let's see this will work on this phone or not. So my phone just locked the screen. In the screen, and installation is done and installed. Let's go to phone, and as you can see Lumia camera beta. Just open it. Maybe this will work. Update your camera required Nokia denim software to update your phone automatically notify when it's ever. Okay. So basically what happened is that I just updated my phone to Windows 10, and I didn't update any kind of store apps, basically, which I didn't update. So I need to update those apps, then it will work. So they are asking me to update the the app I have installed 5.1. It will also work. Just I didn't update my phone some of the softwares, so that's why it didn't work. But let me see which app I have to install. I will install it and I will show you it's working. Let's see. My internet connection is not that good because almost many devices connected to my internet right now. So let's let it do refreshing and other things. I will show you how you can install a zip file right now. Then I will do other things. So let's go to the apps. Go back. And go back. So let's install games here. So Z game, I will install a game which is zip format to show you that you can install the games also. So you can here go option. So let me show you. I didn't say anything about it. So Xbox and non-Xbox Live games. Click here. You can get non-Xbox Live or Xbox Live game, whatever you want. Just click here, and let me choose a game which is very small in size. So this is a 248, which is nearly 561 kilobyte, not less than 1 MB. So let's click on that and download, and it started the download. As you can see here, you can go, and after finishing the download, as you can see, it is not installing. You have to install it manually if you have downloaded zip file. So click on the zip file, and you will have the install button. Now they will show you the tunnel. Yeah, because of this actually I have installed CMD injector, so it will install the app through CMD. So we have to click on telnet, and we have to select where you want to install it. SD card or internal. I don't have any SD card here, so I'll install it to internal storage. So as you can see, the installation process is going on. You can see that it's actually a really cool apps that you will know that the apps is installed or not, what's going on with the apps. So that's really cool actually. So as you can see, the app is installed and it said that installed. And let's go back, and you can see 248 plus app here. Just click on that. Maybe this will work fine. As you can see here, the app is working. So this is how you can install apps and games easily. Although I talked a lot in this video, basically I try to clear everything, and this video will be helpful for you. So let's see what, because of what our our camera is, Lumia camera is not working. So I think I need to update extra info, this one, and my app like Lumia app will work. Let's see. I will update this app later on. Otherwise I may face some problem like I faced right now. So let's see it will fix my problem or not. I think it's already installed. Check. So it's downloading the apps. Is nearly 9.68 MB. And extra and info. This is extra info, show what version of your Windows you are running. So it's necessary to update. So if you are getting any kind of error with those kind, like you update your phone to denim, so what you have to do is that just go and update the app from your store. But what if you don't have the app store running on your phone? Then I don't think you can do that. Or either you can download it from the app and you can install it through the app. So the app has all the apps from the Microsoft, and you no need to use actually Microsoft Store to install any kind of apps. You just search it on there. There is option where you can find these apps, so that you don't need to go to your Microsoft Store. So basically, if you have Microsoft Store, then it's good actually, because you can, this is much more user-friendly interface here rather than the Windows Universal Windows tool. I think it will improve a lot. There are a lot of developers working on it, and the thanks or thank you is not enough for them, the work they are doing, because there are not much people donating them or sending them money. I think as far as I am also not giving any kind of donation to them yet, but I will try if I will to do that, because they are doing really great job and they are keeping the Windows Phone alive. And our extra info is installed successful. Maybe now our Windows Lumia camera will work. Let's see. So it says, yeah, the camera require Lumia denim software update, automatically notify when available. Maybe the app will work only when I updated all the apps and reboot my phone. So now I think you got what I want to show you. Basically, this is the way how you can install apps and games from your Universal tool, and it's installed as you can see here. But the apps which is not working, it's because I think I have to update my phone. Some of the apps. Let me show you something else which will work, which don't require. So you can go also W10.8.1 group. Here also you will get all the apps and games here, as you can see, multimedia player, music, office and other apps and everything here. And basically here you have to search for your apps. And other thing is that the app which is in Microsoft Store, you just can run right here. If I write Telegram, because Telegram is available on your Microsoft Store, so if I write Telegram, and if I search it, you will find that the app will appear here. It will connect to your Microsoft Store, and it will search from there actually. So basically you are getting all the things in one app, and basically you can just install this app from your Windows from your PC, and you're good to go. You don't need to set load apps and games anymore. You can do it whenever you want right now. So it's looking for Telegram, and maybe it will find one. Should be there actually. So the internet is little slow. I think my phone is also getting slow, because there are many apps running on the background, and also I didn't tweak my phone for paging the files, so that's why it's little slow. I need to do that off camera. I'll do some apps. I just installed Windows 10 fresh in this phone, and for updating Windows 10 I gave some tutorial, and those two tutorials working just fine right now. It's still working. I just checked, and I'm updating there. Actually, I said that the last I have used these apps, and I'm saying that. So basically, you will if you have any Windows phone running on 8.1, you will get it. So as you can see here, it's search the file, and here we are getting the file, and you can just basically click here, and you will find the download option. It will download the app. So this is actually confirm. Just confirm the app, and it will start a download, and it will, as you can see, the speed of speed is not that bad right now, and it is appx bundle file, I think. So it's going on. So there are two files, as you can see here. If this not work, that means you have to install another one. So you have to remember that. I don't know how I how to figure out these things, because I just installed these apps. I didn't go much on these things, so that's why I can't give you much information about this app right now. So here, as you can see, it's going on, and the app is about 127 MB, and we are nearly done, I think. So it must I think this is much easier than what you get from Xfce Store, but the problem is that you can't see that what's going on with the apps, what apps you are downloading, though you can see that. So search app, you need to install an app you like to search is on the store. So yes, so basically we have to download the another file format. So this file is, as you can see, MSIX bundle, so I don't think it will work on our phone. So appx and other apps will have work. So now we try this one. I don't know which app this one is. This is also EMSIX bundle. I don't think it will also work. So I don't think this will work here, but it did work. Okay, if you are not able to install it from here, you just can go to the repository. You can guide it from there too. So I don't know why it's not cancelling the quick close. Okay, I didn't cancel it again. No. So yeah, we are going to quick access repositories. We will go there, and you will get the app from here too. So if you go to the social media, I think it will be in the social media. So let's click here, and I think here you will get the Telegram and other things here. Even Unigram, Skype, social, and Telegram here 8.1. So this will work just fine. Let's click here and zip download, and it's downloading. Let's go to the download folder. It's on queue right now, so I have to click on this app and close it, otherwise cancel it. I cancelled. So now our app is started downloading. I will show you that Telegram is working just fine, and other apps will definitely work in this way. It's quite nice UI. So as I said, you can find a Telegram group also on, if you just search the Windows 10 AM group, you will get it. Also there are group for Windows 8.1, I think. So any kind of necessary, you can search, ask them. That will help you. They are working really hard for these things. Now we are nearly done. I don't know how long this video is going on. It's quite long. I think it will be a 20 or 30 minutes video. Let's check. Basically you will get everything here. Now we have to install it. Install will be a telnet and will be in the internal storage. Now it's going on installing. So yes, installing, it's taking little bit time, but this app is definitely worth of trying if you have Windows phone, and if you're still using Windows phone. Great app, I will say great app. And they are consistent, they are working on these apps too, so they are updating the apps, they are including new feature, so really great actually. I think it's installing right now. How long it will take, I don't know. Let's see. I will show you my Lumia 1520 and what I have done with that device. There are a lot of tweaks also available in that app, so basically one app for everything of your Windows phone. This app is really taking a little bit time, I don't know why. It's still installing. Zap file, zap. Let's see how long it takes. We did not get any kind of error yet. Maybe something background is going on, that's why it's taking this much time. Let's close this thing. It's little choppy now, my phone is. Oh my god, it's taking too long. Still installing. I don't know what's going on right now. Let's go to our page. I can see any apps or not. Still no apps appeared here. Nothing, not Telegram apps. Should be here actually. Yes, we can see our Telegram apps is arrived. Open it, and you will greet with the. So as you can see here, Telegram is working just fine. You can log in and you work with this. So this is how you can use this app to install any kind of apps, and it will work just fine. I say it will work fine. Now let me show you something else what I have done with my Lumia 1520. So as I said, Lumia camera will not have Lumia camera on your device, which is running on what it called Windows 10. So you need to sideload the app. So let me show you. I have sideloaded the apps here, and it's working just fine on that. So I need to open it again. Projection. Let's see. Maybe something going on. Projection is not working right now with my Lumia 1520. Oh gosh, what's going on? So can't show you right now, I think. Okay. It's not connecting to the device. Something is going on with my device, I don't know what. So let's check in, connect. So there is something going on with my device. I will give you a demo, I think, later on, because I am not getting the screen mirroring option right now. As I open this app, it's asking me to if I want to use screen mirroring or not, but it's not appearing right now. I don't know what's happening. So that's it for today. I think you got what I have to say about these apps, and the link of the zip file will be in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.